Good morning. I start it with the trash can. So it's breakfast time. I am going to make myself a smoothie. What else? I know, I'm sorry, I'm so boring. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to have oatmeal next week. I could compromise and do it for you guys. So usually I'm like a zero pre-planning kind of smoothie person, but this morning I was like, let's do something a little bit more creative. So I got some goji berries and some chia seeds, and I put them into one of my beautiful mason jars. It's like the flat ones with the wide mouth. Oh, they're my favorite. Put them into the mason jar, filled it up with water, and they have been soaking for a little while. So goji berries are super high in an antioxidant called zeaxanthin. It's a type of carotenoid, which means that it's in the same categories like beta carotene. And carotenoid absorption goes up when it's mixed with fat or when you eat it with fat. So added in the chia seeds, they will work together synergistically to boost the absorption of the nutrients in these whole plant foods. And then just because I went almost a month and a half or 2 months without any kale, I think I'm gonna put kale in my smoothie again. My farmer texted me, they were like, oh my god, we have kale. And I was like, oh my god, I want 1,000 pounds of it. And they were like, I don't think you do. And I was like, yeah, I don't. I'll take 3 pounds. Anyway, I've been eating plenty of kale. I've also been making sure that I'm eating my seaweed, so I have a lot of iodine around too, so that the cruciferous vegetables won't depress my thyroid function. Whatever, we don't have to get into that again. We've talked about it before. I'm also gonna put tons of ginger in my smoothie because, I don't know, ginger is life. So let's go get smoothified. You wanna come, Tubs? Tubs, you wanna come? Tubs, you wanna come? You wanna come, Tubs? You want a smoothie with me, Tubs? I would love some smoothie. Well, it's healthy. And there sure is a lot of it. I'm just kidding. It's nothing phenomenal, but it's pretty darn good. Gotta make my eyebrows look good. I am headed to the gym, and it's about 1:30, and I finished that massive smoothie, and that's gonna be it until dinner. Like, that was breakfast and lunch in one go. I'm full, I'm good, I'm energized, so I will see you guys later in the afternoon. Just kidding. I packed up my gym bag and I got in the car and I looked outside and I was like, oh no. And then I looked at the weather report and it's supposed to be raining and thunderstorming for the next week, 10 days. I couldn't go to the gym. So I grabbed my camera, sunglasses, I came to the beach. Let me get this. And I'm back home, and I ended up getting hungry. So I have this adorable wee little bowl of leftover kale salad, and then I put some multicolored quinoa and black beans on top. And then I have this, which is like one of my all-time favorite indulgences. Not because it's bad for me, but because it's so expensive. It doesn't even have any added sodium. It's sugar, added sugar for sure, but I don't use too much of it because it is so gosh darn pricey. Just a little bit of sweet chili sauce right on top there. Make sure I get every last little morsel. So the kale salad last night, I dressed it with peanut sauce and then massaged it quite extensively. It was really good. I've eaten so much kale, I'm just gonna turn into kale. If I really fail at this human life, maybe I will turn into kale. Okay, so I'm gonna munch on this, and then for dinner tonight, which isn't too far away since it's so late in the afternoon, we are going to have black beans, which I have soaking right there. And I'm gonna get those spiced up and put into the Instant Pot. And then I'm going to make my masa harina corn tortillas tonight. And it's a super simple recipe, but so many people have been asking me to do a video about it, so I'm gonna do that, and I will link it somewhere. So please excuse me, I'm gonna get started on dinner. Alright, so this will do me for dinner. I got beans, rice, lots of veggies, corn tortillas, which the recipe, no, not him, me. Oh God. Juice. Okay, so that will be everything that I ate today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, until next time, make better choices for yourself. No one's gonna do it for you, and take really, really good care. I will see you all so very soon. Bye! It's my deep pleasure to inform you that I ate more today. Ooh, coconut. Since we ate kind of early, I decided to make some blueberry banana ice cream. Oh, that looks really good. Some dates on top, and then I think 808 plant fat over here added a... looks really good. And some almonds and walnuts. Just a little handful. Ooh, that looks really nice. For me?
Yeah, for you, baby. Okay. Okay. I'm not good at this.
Just put it in my face.
You bit it off my finger.
Got a spoon in that. Puppy, shall we eat it on the couch? Sounds good. Good night.